Welcome back. In this video, we'll walk you through the simple methods to compose compelling tweets and impressions to market your content. Twitter's research shows that 60% of their users have made a purchase based on content they saw on Twitter. This shows how big of an impact your tweets can have if you compose it in a strategic and effective manner. There are 5 killer tips to creating your own compelling tweets. 1. Talk with people, not at them. 2. Keep tweets conversational. 3. Think about how your audience will react and consume to your content. 4. Ask your followers to retweet. 5. Use photos and videos. The first tip is to talk with people and not at them. This simply means you reply to mentions you receive on Twitter and respond to both negative and positive feedback. Be engaging as possible, as businesses should answer support tickets as soon as they can. You should not keep your customers waiting. The second method is to keep your tweets conversational. Try and talk to your followers or prospects in a casual manner, but exerting a professional image as well. This will gain your followers' trust. The third tip is to think about how your audience will react and consume your content. What would trigger them to retweet your content? Would they react and engage to your tweets? You need to come up with something creative and effective in order to maximize your engagements. The fourth tip is to ask your followers to retweet your tweets. Salesforce.com found that people who ask their followers specifically to retweet their content or tweets receive 12 times higher retweet rates than those that do not. This will be a good opportunity for you to market your content. Last but not least is to incorporate photos and videos in your tweets. Photos and videos have the ability to make your content twice as engaging. Include YouTube videos or real-life photos to enrich your content. This will no doubt attract your audience more as compared to your normal 140-character tweet.